Keeping 1.3 billion people indoors is not an easy task, but the empty road here tells you that the Indian government has largely been successful in implementing what has been one of the world's harshest and most complete lockdowns. Apart from essential services, almost nothing is working in India right now. And while a lot of people in India can stay indoors and work from home, a significant population of the country does not have that luxury. Thousands of migrant laborers who found themselves without jobs overnight because of the lockdown have been fleeing cities like Delhi with no money to buy food or pay their rent. They say the only way they can survive the lockdown is to go back to their villages. They say if coronavirus doesn't kill them first, hunger will. With road, air and rail travel suspended, thousands of families have been walking for hundreds of kilometers in a bid to get back home. The mass exodus, possibly the largest India has seen in decades, led to widespread criticism for the government for not thinking the lockdown through. Over the weekend, buses were hastily arranged for these migrant workers and hundreds of people were crammed into packed buses and sent to their villages. Now, the government says everyone who's tried to leave Delhi has violated the lockdown and that state governments must make arrangements for those still stranded at Delhi's borders. Also, everyone who's managed to reach their village must now be quarantined for 14 days. But experts warn that the fleeing laborers may have already taken the virus back to their villages, to areas that have inadequate healthcare facilities. Experts allege that community transmissions, that's the virus spreading unchecked from person to person, may have already started in India. They're adding that in a densely populated country like India, with millions living in congested quarters, the only way to flatten the curve is to test everyone with COVID-19 symptoms. The government says as of now it has no plans to conduct mass tests and that it will not extend the lockdown beyond mid-April. Neha Poonia, SABC News, New Delhi.